If Microsoft isn't sending you a verification code email, whether you're trying to recover your account, approve a login, or use two-step verification, don't panic. This is a super common issue, and there are a few easy fixes that usually solve it fast. Start by checking every folder in your inbox. Look inside spam, junk, promotions, updates, or anything your email service might use to filter messages. These verification emails get misclassified all the time, and most people eventually find them sitting in the wrong folder without realizing it. If it's not there, give it a few minutes. Sometimes Microsoft's servers are busy or your email provider is experiencing delays. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes, then request a new code. Make sure you're not trying to use an old one, because once a new code is sent, the previous one becomes invalid automatically. If you still aren't receiving anything, add Microsoft's sender addresses to your safe sender or contact list. This helps your email provider recognize the messages as legitimate. The main ones to add are account security no reply at account.microsoft.com and security no reply at accountprotection.microsoft.com. Adding them prevents your email provider from silently blocking or filtering out the messages. If none of that works, try signing in again using a private or incognito browser window. This avoids cached data or old cookies that might interfere with verification. You can also switch browsers entirely. For example, if you're using Safari, try Chrome or Edge instead. Extensions, ad blockers, and strict privacy settings can sometimes stop the verification process from working correctly. With these steps, you should be able to get your verification code to show up and get back into your Microsoft account without any more hassle.